How to delete chess.com account. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open a new browser and then type in chess.com. Make sure you are logged in, so you can log in by pressing it here. So enter in your username or email and then your password, and then click on Login. Once you're logged in, click on the setting icon and then select All Settings, and then click on Membership and Payments. Once you do that, click on Manage Account. Now if you scroll all the way down, you'll see, do you want to close your chess.com account completely? So first type in your email, and then enter the text from the image above, and then click on Confirm Identity. Once you click on that, you'll be able to click on Close My Account. So click on that. So you can select a reason of why you're leaving, and then click on Close My Account. So once you do this, you'll be able to delete your chess.com account. So this is how to delete chess.com account. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.